A dot B by magnitude A, magnitude B. They have not given dot product. They gave A dot B by magnitude B. This they gave in the form of what? This they mentioned as projection. All of you know the form of projection. Cot inverse of minus x is not minus cot inverse x. Cot inverse of minus x is not even cot inverse x. So it is not even, it's not hard. It's ruled out. So ಇದನ್ನು reduce ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ. ಇಂಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ ಇಂಟೆಗ್ರಲ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಥಿಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ಸಿ ದ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ and decide whether we can differentiate the option to get the answer. ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು. ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನೋಡ್ತೀರೋ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ನು ನೋಡಿ. ಬಟ್ ರೆಕಗ್ನೈಸಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ರೂಟ್, ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ರೂಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಯೂನಿಟಿ ಮೇಕ್ಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಪ್ರಾಸೆಸ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್. So starting with the problem, order of differential equation they want you to find. They want you to find order of differential equation. Y is equal to c1 e power c2 plus x plus c3 e power c4x is. First, to find order, we'll see how many arbitrary constants are there. When you see c1, c2, c3, c4, 4 arbitrary constants are there. So we can differentiate 4 times. Order is 4. That is a mistake students will do. ನೀವು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಹುಡುಕಿದಾಗ 4 ಇದೆ, 4 ಟಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ನ ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ if there is possibility to reduce the constants, we'll do that. So we'll try. Y is equal to c1 into e power c2 into e power x. ಬರಿಬೋದಾ? This is a power m plus n. A power m plus n can be written as a power m into a power n. Similarly, c3 into e power c4 into e power x can I write? Now in these two, what is common? E power x is common. So I will be left out with c1 e power c2 plus e power c3 e power c4. So now you know c1 is constant, e power c2 is also constant, constant into constant is constant, plus constant is also constant. This whole thing is constant. Now I will replace it by single constant, say e power x into k. So now I have one arbitrary constant. So once if I differentiate, I can eliminate this. So order is 1. Order is what? 1. Interesting. Next we have magnitude of vector A is 16, magnitude of vector B is 4, then root of magnitude of A cross B the whole square plus magnitude of A dot B the whole square. Very interesting and important. Generally we don't use the relation between A cross B and A dot B. All of you know A dot B is what? Magnitude A, magnitude B cos theta. A cross B is magnitude of A cross B, magnitude A, magnitude B sin theta, and squaring and adding and rearranging. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Like that we have to rearrange, but don't waste your time on all those things. Please add one more important result between cross product and dot product in your memory. ನಿಮ್ಮ ತಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ನ ನೀವು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ನ ತುಂಬ ಬೇಗ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಈ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡಾಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಹಸ್ ಬಿನ್ ರಿಪೀಟೆಡ್ಲಿ ಅಪಿಯರ್ಡ್. ಸೊ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಬಿ ದಿ ಹೋಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ dot product magnitude the whole square is always individual magnitude squares. Magnitude A square into magnitude B square makes your process simpler. ಇದನ್ನು ಡಿರೈವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಡಿ, ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ತಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಹೋಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಡಾಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಹೋಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇಸ್ magnitude A square, magnitude B square. This can be derived using definition of dot product and cross product. Now if I use this relation, the problem reduces. Now they want you to find this root. I'll retain as it is. What is magnitude A cross B the whole square plus magnitude A dot B the whole square? Can I say this is magnitude A square, magnitude B square? So now this is just magnitude A square, magnitude B square. This whole thing is magnitude A square, magnitude B square under root. So square root cancels. Magnitude A square, magnitude B square. So square root will cancel. We will be left out with magnitude A into magnitude B. They have given magnitude A. What is magnitude A? 16. Magnitude B is also given. What is magnitude B? 4. 16 into 4 is 64. Is it easy and faster or not? So when it becomes faster, if you know the result between cross product magnitude square and dot product magnitude square. Sum of cross product magnitude square and dot product magnitude square is product of individual magnitude squares. Magnitude A cross B square plus magnitude A dot B square is always magnitude A square, magnitude B square. One of the very key important result for entrance. Objective solve ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಈ memory based result ಆಗಿ ತಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ತುಂಬ ಬೇಗ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. In many situations we will get this result. So under the root, this whole thing becomes magnitude A square, magnitude B square. Square root cancels, it becomes magnitude A, magnitude B. So magnitude A is given, magnitude B is given, substitute, will get the answer. Next, The angle between vector A and vector B is 2 pi by 3. They gave angle. And the projection of A in the direction of B, or projection of A on B, is -2. Magnitude A they want. Read the question. When you read the question, angle between, they gave theta, they gave 2 pi by 3. Projection of A and B. Projection of A and B means what? A dot B by magnitude B. This is also given. How much? -2 when you read the question. They want you to find magnitude A. So use the formula cos theta. What is cos theta? Angle between two vectors is dot product divided by magnitude A into magnitude B. And cos theta is given. What is theta? 2 pi by 3. So it will become cos 2 pi by 3 is equal to A dot B by magnitude B. A dot B by magnitude B and then projection of A and B is -2. So A dot B by magnitude B -2, I'll write this whole thing. So please observe, A dot B by magnitude B, this whole thing I can write projection. They have given A dot B by magnitude B is -2. I substitute and I'm left out with what? I'm left out with magnitude A and cos 2 pi by 3. Pi by 3 means 60. Cos 2 times 60. Cos 2 times cos 120. Cos 120 is cos of 180 minus 60. Cos of 180 minus 60 minus cos 60. Minus cos 60 is -1 by 2 is equal to -2 by magnitude A. Minus cancels and rearrange. So you get magnitude A is equal to cross multiply 2 into 2, that is 4. Check whether we have 4. Yes, option A here is 4. That's it. Interesting. Angle between two vectors, all of you know cos theta is A dot B by magnitude A, magnitude B. They have not given dot product. They gave A dot B by magnitude B. This they gave in the form of what? This they mentioned as projection. All of you know the form of projection. Next. Unit vector perpendicular to the plane containing these two. So all of you know unit vector perpendicular to a vector. A cross B. Vector A cross vector B is what? Unit vector perpendicular to A and B. So there are two possibilities. So unit vector perpendicular to A and B is A cross B. Unit vector means what? A cross B by magnitude, and we can write two unit vectors. One is positive and negative. Negative of a vector is also for unit vector. Negative of a vector is also unit vector. Magnitude will be same. So all of you know how to do cross product. First we'll find A cross B. What is A cross B? IJK. And first row quotients 1 2 1, second row quotients -2 1 3, and expand this. If I expand this, I'll get 2 3 is 6, 6 minus 1 5, 5 I cap minus delete this 3 plus 2 5 minus of -5 minus 5 j cap, then delete this 1 plus 4, that is also 5 k cap. This is A cross B I got. Now also I'll find magnitude of A cross B. Magnitude of A cross B is what? Magnitude is 5 square 25, 5 square 25, 25 plus 25 plus 25, 75, root 75 can be written as 25 3s are 25 into 3 na 5 root 3 baribodu. This is a magnitude. So now idu divide madidre 5 cancel agutte. So I'll use plus or minus. If I take 5 common and cancel, I'll be getting I minus j cap plus k cap divided by root 3. I'm telling you, when you divide, take 5 common and you can cancel, plus or minus, this is the answer. So I minus j plus k by root 3 idya nodi. I minus j plus k illa. Or you should have minus I. If I take, see, positive, if I take I minus j plus k, I minus j plus k illa, all are positive, not possible. I plus j minus k, this is also not possible. And the other thing, so I'll take minus inside, I'll take positive is ruled out. Negative, if I take, I becomes minus, j becomes plus, and k becomes minus by root 3. Do we have this at least? Minus I plus j minus k by root 3. Yes, option C. So you know, if we have two vectors, vector A and vector B, a vector perpendicular to A cross B is what? A vector perpendicular to both A and B is A cross B. Unit vector means divide by magnitude. This is one, the other one is its negative, minus A cross B. So we use minus A cross B by magnitude match agala, minus thagondaga we'll get one of the unit vectors. That's it. Then A plus vector A plus 2B minus C, vector A minus B, vector A minus vector B minus C is. So now we have to do, all of you know, box product is also called as scalar triple product. If it is A plus B, B plus C, C plus A, we have direct result 2 times ABC. A minus B, B minus C, C minus A, they are coplanar, we will get 0. But here it's unique. A, all are positive, but 2B and B cancels and minus C, C. If I use shortcut 3 times ABC will get. But always it is not good because the quotient changes. Usual box product can be written as scalar triple product, that is vector A plus 2B minus C dot this second cross third, that is, what is the second vector? A minus B vector cross A minus B minus C vector. Simplify this. So first you simplify this. A cross A becomes 0, A cross B minus C, A cross minus B cross A agata. Then go on. So direct expansion will lead you A dot B cross A and B dot C cross A 2 times. That will finally you will get 3 times box ABC. But here one interesting result what we will is, this is cyclic. ABC is same as BCA is same as CAB, that's it. So finally you will arrive at this result. It's a direct problem. Box product can be written as scalar triple product. Hints for solving this problem is similar cross product gives you 0. Similar means A cross A is 0, B cross B is 0, and A cross minus B can be written as B cross A, and A dot B cross C is same as B dot C cross A. Like that you can apply and get the result. Then minus 3 to 3 integral cot inverse x dx, integral of minus 3 to a, definite integral they give. See, you can see minus A to A. Whenever you see minus A to A, the first thinking is check whether it is even or odd. Cot inverse of minus x is pi minus cot inverse x. Cot inverse of minus x is not minus cot inverse x. Cot inverse of minus x is not even cot inverse x. So it is not even, it is not odd. It is ruled out. Now, cot inverse of minus x madadre minus cot inverse x barala, cot inverse x barala. All of you know cot inverse of minus x is pi minus cot inverse x. It is neither even nor odd. So I will convert this to tan inverse. We have a result in inverse trigonometry. Tan inverse x plus cot inverse x is pi by 2. In spite of cot inverse x, can I write it as 90 minus tan inverse x? Very boda. Why I am doing this? Because I saw minus A to A. But I know tan inverse of minus x andre eno. Tan inverse of minus x is minus tan inverse x. Tan inverse x is odd function. So odd function idre you no need to integrate. We have an interesting result, that is minus A to A f of x dx becomes 0 if f of x is odd. Odd means what? F of minus x is minus f of x. When I tried for cot inverse, it is neither odd nor even. So I cannot. So I am using the relation. All of you know tan inverse x plus cot inverse x. What is tan inverse x plus cot inverse x? Pi by 2. So you need cot inverse x. What is cot inverse x? In spite of cot inverse x, you can write pi by 2 minus tan inverse x. That's what I have done. Now integrate. So integration of this, integration of minus 3 to 3 pi by 2 dx minus integration of minus 3 to 3 tan inverse x dx. So now integration of constant is x, pi by 2 constant into x, pi by 2 into x agate minus 3 to 3, and I will not integrate this. This is 0 because it is odd function. Integration of minus A to A odd is 0. Apply upper limit minus lower limit. When you apply upper limit minus lower limit, so it will become pi by 2 into 3 minus pi by 2 into minus 3, that is 3 pi by 2 plus 3 pi by 2, 3 pi by 2 plus 3 pi by 2, 6 pi by 2, or can I say 3 pi? So answer is 3 pi. Option A. So here cot inverse x is neither even nor odd. So convert cot inverse x to what? Pi by 2 minus tan inverse x, it will become easy. Next, integration of 1 by root x plus x root x dx. Yes, this is not in integrable form. Reducing to integrable form takes more steps. So ಇದನ್ನು reduce ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ steps ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. But reverse method try ಮಾಡಿ. Indefinite integrals ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ first thinking is see the options and decide whether we can differentiate the option to get the answer, get the question. All of you know integrals ಏನಂತ ಕರಿಬಹುದು? Anti-derivatives. So I will try to differentiate. So 2 log of root of x plus 1 half tan inverse root x, tan inverse root x, 2 tan inverse root x. See, ಜಾಸ್ತಿ options tan inverse ಗಳಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆ. So I will try with tan inverse root x and I will see what is possible. First one half tan inverse root x ಇದೆ, second one tan inverse root x ಇದೆ, the last one 2 tan inverse root x ಇದೆ. We will try. So now I will take plain tan inverse root x, option C try ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. I will differentiate this. d by dx. All of you know what is derivative of tan inverse x? 1 by 1 plus root x the whole square is x into d by dx of internal function 1 by 2 root x agata. So my answer is 1 divided by 2 times root x plus x root x ಆಯಿತು. ಬಟ್ ಐ ಗಾಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ 2 ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದಿದ್ರೆ ನನ್ನ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಬಂದಿರೋದು 2 ಹೋಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಇಂಟು 2 ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ 2 times if I take. So when this failed, with the knowledge of this, I will select this. You differentiate this, you have to get the answer. So now d by dx of 2 tan inverse root x. What is d by dx of 2 tan inverse root x plus c? So derivative of 2 is constant, derivative of tan inverse x is 1 by 1 plus x square. 1 by 1 plus x square andre here root x, sorry, this is root x. Root x the whole square is x into derivative of root x eno 1 by 2 root x. I can cancel 2 and 2. Now multiply 1 ones are 1, x into root x is root x plus x root x. I got the question. So when I differentiate the answer, I am getting the question directly. I can select option D. If you ask me why didn't I start with log, see, ನೀವು ಮೆಥಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್, ಮೆಥಡ್ ಆಫ್ ವೆರಿಫಿಕೇಷನ್, ಮೆಥಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಆ್ಯಂಟಿ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಲಾಗಲ್ಲಿದೆ, ಇನ್ನು ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದೆಲ್ಲ ಟ್ಯಾನಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಓನ್ಲಿ ಒನ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ಇನ್ ಲಾಗ್, ಆಲ್ ಅದರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಇನ್ ಟ್ಯಾನ್. ಸೊ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಂಡ್ pick the simplest function which you can differentiate faster. So tan inverse root x I took, but 2 was missing. So I decided if 2 tan inverse root x if I take, I'll get the answer. Selecting option plays key role so that you can save time. But other method, take root x common and do substitution. Alternate method is one method I taught you, and alternate method root x common togodi. If I take root x common, it will become 1 plus x dx and 1 plus x root x, and further you can simplify this. ಇದನ್ನ root x ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡು root x the whole square ಬರಿಬೋದು. Can I write this as root x the whole square? Now put t as root x and dt is what? 1 by 2 root x into dx. Rearrange, substitute, you will get the answer. Method of substitution ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. alternate method ಫಾಸ್ಟಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದಾಗ ಕ್ವಶನ್ನ ಎಷ್ಟು ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ತೀರೋ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ನು ನೋಡಿ. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಇದೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸಲ್ಲೂ ಗಮನ ಇಟ್ಟು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ -1/6, ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲೋ 1/6 ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಎರಡು ಹತ್ರ -1/6 ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಬಿ 1/3 ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸಿ ಮಾತ್ರ 4 ಆಪ್ಷನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಇದೆ. ಆಲ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಿ ಆರ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಸಿ ಯು ಆರ್ ಡನ್ ಅಂತ. ಹೌ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಸಿ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಟೇಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್, ಟೇಕ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ದಿಸ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ದ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ರಿಸಂಬಲ್ಸ್ ಸಿ. ಸೊ ಸಿ ಎ ಬೈ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ಬೈ ಸಿ. ಸೊ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಏನಿದೆಯಪ್ಪ, x minus 3 ಇದೆ. So put x is equal to 3 in the numerator. 2 into 3 minus 1 is equal to c and divided by illu 3 ಹಾಕಿ 3 minus 1 into 3 plus 2. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಡ್ರಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. should not take that. Now simplify this. 3 2s are 6 minus 1 5 divided by 3 1s are 3 minus 1 2 5s are 10. So you got C. C is 2, 5 1s are 5 2s are. C is 1 by 2. C 1 by 2 ಇರೋಂಥ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ -1 by 2 ಇದೆ, ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 by 5 ಇದೆ, ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಇದನ್ನು ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಇದೊಂದನ್ನು ಪಿಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ಒನ್ ಶಾಟ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೂ. ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಫೇವರಬಲ್ ಟು ಯು. ಒಂದೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗಿದ್ರು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಫೇವರಬಲ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಬರೀ ಸಿ ಒಂದು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ ಬಿ ಸಿ ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟ್ ಆಗೋಯ್ತು. ಯುವರ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿಸ್. ಫರ್ದರ್ ಯು ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಆನ್ ದ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್. If I want only C, the third factor, A by first factor, B by, so third factor bitbudi, x ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು equate this third factor to 0, you will get x value. ಈ x value, put it in numerator and denominator. Other than this, you will get C, that's it. Or you have to go for LCM and it's a long process. I hope all of you understood the technique. In objectives advantages, they will give for selection. So you can select and reject, or you can eliminate many things. A real process ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದಾಗ, if all the answers are having almost same, then you have to do it. So see the necessity of completion. Here we don't need to complete actually, we can eliminate. Now we'll go to the question number 29. Integral of 0 to 2 greatest integer x square dx. So we read this as greatest integer. So greatest integer value gives you nearest and less integer. So we have to use property a to b can be reached through a to c. That is a to b f of x can be written as a to c plus c to b. So because greatest integer function is a piecewise function, we'll get set of values. So I'll write this as 0 to 2 square bracket x square. So 0 to 1 its behavior is different. 0 to 1 square bracket x square dx, and 1 to root 2 plus square bracket x square dx, and root 2 to root 3 square bracket x square dx, then root 3 to root 4. Root 4 is how much? 2 square bracket x square dx. This is the behavior of the function. Now you know 0 to 1 greatest integer function of 1 square, 0 to 1 it is 1 dx, 0 to 1 it is 0 greatest integer, and this is 1 to root 2 it will give 1 dx, and root 2 to root 3 means 1.414 in the 1.732 square bracket 1.412 to this gives you square bracket 1. So square, sorry, root 2 square 2 to 3 it gives you 2 dx. Now 3 to 4 it gives you 3 dx. Carefully you should substitute. Apply upper limit minus lower limit. Integral of 0 is just leave it 0. Now upper limit integration 1 is x. For x, if you apply upper limit minus lower 2 to minus 1, this will give you 2x. 2 times upper limit minus lower limit is root 3 minus root 2, and this will give you 3. Upper limit minus lower limit 2 more times root 3. Integration of 3 is what? 3x. Then apply upper limit lower limit. Directly I have done it. Now root 2 minus 1 plus 2 root 3 minus 2 root 2 plus 3 to the 6 minus 3 root 3. So numbers 6 and minus 1. 6 minus 1 becomes what? 5. Then only one positive 5. Okay, we have 3 results with 5, so I have to simplify. There is no other go. So 2 root 3 minus 3 root 3. 2 minus 3 is what? Minus root 3. Similarly, minus 2 root 2 plus 2 root 2 is minus root 2. So answer is 5 minus root 3 minus root 2. 5 minus root 3 minus root 2. So we have option A. But many people fail to split this. Integration 0 to greatest integer function x square means it will take value 0 to 1, it will become 1. 1 to root 2 it will become 1, and 0 to 1 it will become 0, and root 2 to root 3 it will become what? 2. Like that, split it and integrate. One of the special important questions. Then integration of 0 to 1 root of 1 plus x by 1 minus x. If there are no limits, I would have differentiated the answer. And if it is a to b, a plus upper limit and lower limit, again we have a special property we can change. But there is no other go, we need to rationalize. So integral of 0 to 1, if I rationalize, divide and multiply by root of 1 plus x. So can I write it as root of 1 plus x divided by root of 1 minus x, divide and multiply by root of 1 plus x. If I do that, numerator a plus b into a plus b the whole square, a plus b the whole square, square root cancel, numerator just 1 plus x, denominator a plus b into a minus, 1 plus x is a plus b into a minus b is what? A square minus b square under the root you will get 1 minus x square. Now split this. If I split it, integration of 0 to 1 divided by root of 1 minus x square plus integration of 0 to 1 x divided by root of 1 minus x square dx. Now you know this. What is the integration of this? Integration of this is what? Integration of 1 divided by root of 1 minus x square is sin inverse x. Sin inverse x from 0 to 1 plus integration of this we have to do by substitution. X divided by root of 1 minus x square. We can convert it into f dash x by f of x or root f of x like that. But before that, I'll apply upper limit minus lower limit. What is upper limit minus lower limit? Sin inverse x. Sin inverse 1 is to pi by 2. Okay, we have many answers with pi by 2. Pi by 2 with some association. We will not get 1 by 2, leave it. Because really there is no chance of getting number. So option C, D ruled out. Option may be this or this. So because there are two values, I have to simplify. Plus I have to integrate, divide and multiply by 2x. And I need minus also. So this will become, put this as t. Then t hakidre minus dt agutte. Minus dt by root t agutte. So again pi by 2 minus 2 root t integration. This will give you 2x. So integration 1 by root is 2 root t. Apply upper limit minus lower limit. Upper limit minus lower limit apply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ t 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 1 minus 0 is 1. So simplify this further. Up 1 minus x square is, so substitute this. Upper limit 1 minus 1 is 0. Lower limit minus 1, minus of minus plus ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Upper limit minus lower limit ಹಾಕಿದಾಗ pi by 2 plus 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇದು ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್. I hope all of you got this. Next, alpha and beta are the roots of the quadratic equation. Alpha square plus beta square. See, observe this quadratic equation. It is a special quadratic equation. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ a b c ಮೂರು 1. Quotient of x square is a. Quotient of ax square plus bx plus c form. a b c ಮೂರು 1 ಇದ್ರೆ the roots are direct. Roots are omega and omega square. What are the roots? Omega and omega square. What is omega? Cube roots of unity. Minus 1 plus I root 3 by 2. And we have many shortcuts. Omega cube is 1, omega power 3 multiple is 1, 1 plus omega square is 0, omega power n plus omega power 2n can take two values, either minus 1 or 2. Like that we have different roots. But recognizing this is cube root, one of the root is cube roots of unity, makes your process simple. Nodi, x cube is minus 1 is equal to 0 na, x minus 1 into now we tara baribodu x square plus x plus 1 equal to 0. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಮೂರು ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So this is the equation what we have. So that's why it's a standard result. So recognizing this, ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವೇಷನ್ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ಸ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಈ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಾಟಿಕ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ನೋಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಟಕ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ರೂಟ್ಸ್? ಒನ್ ರೂಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಒಮೆಗಾ, the other root is omega square. Then your process is faster. Now they want omega square plus alpha square plus beta square. Alpha is what? Omega. Omega square plus beta is omega square whole square. So omega square plus omega power 4. Omega power 4 can be written as omega square into omega cube into omega bariboda, because omega cube is 1. Cube roots of omega cube is 1. 1 into omega is omega. So we got omega square plus omega, but we have other results. Sum of the cube roots of unity is 0. 1 plus omega square is 0. So omega plus omega square can be written as minus 1. So I can write this as answer is minus 1. So check this. Here we have. Another technique is, sum of the roots and product of the roots. What is sum of the roots? Minus b by a. Minus b by a means b is 1, a is 1, minus 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. What is product of the roots? c by a. c is 1, a is 1. 1 ones are 1, and use the formula alpha square plus beta square they want. Alpha square a square plus b square in maths can be written as a plus b the whole square minus 2ab minus 2 alpha beta. If you do alpha plus beta is to minus 1 the whole square minus 2 times alpha beta is to 1. So 1 minus 2, it is also minus 1. So this is also a short process. But using the shortcut, you will get used to the cube roots. It will help you to do other problems also. Or this is also fine. Sum of the roots, what you learned in high school, sum of the roots is minus b by a. Product of roots is c by a. I am using it. I will get it and use the identity. A square plus b square in maths can be written as a plus b the whole square minus a 2ab. Then the number of 4-digit numbers without repetition. Without repetition that can be formed using the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In which each number has 2 odd digits and 2 even digits. You have to frame the numbers in such a way that they should not repeat. And 4-digit numbers they want. They want 4-digit numbers without repetition. They give numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In that odd numbers, what are the odd numbers? 1, 3, 5, 7. How many odd numbers they give? 4 odd numbers are given, and 2, 4, 6. 2, 4, 6. They give 3 even numbers also, and you have to form each number has to have 2 odd digits, in which each numbers using these digits, numbers without repetition that can be formed, each should have 2 odd digits and 2 even. Since you have to pick 2 from odd, you have to pick 2 from even. So 2 from odd, how many odd are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. From out of 4, if you have to select 2, so selection means combination, 4C2. All of you know meaning of NCR. NCR means what? Out of n, select R things. And they want 2 even digits, means I have to pick from these 3. So out of 3, 2 can be picked in 3C2 ways. This we have selected. After you select, to form a number you have to arrange, arrange ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? Permutation ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So I have to use permutation. So permutation means what? Arrangement. How can I permutate? So how many I have selected? 4 numbers I have selected. 4 numbers can be arranged in 4 factorial ways. All of you know 4 numbers can be arranged in what? 4 factorial ways. So now simplify this. 4C2 is 4 into 3 divided by 2 into 1. 3C2 is 3 into 2 divided by 2 into 1. 4 factorial is 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 2 cancels. Simplify this. 4 3s are 12, 2s are 24. 24 into 2, 48. 48 into 9. 8 9s are 72. So number should end with 2. I still did not complete, so I can select this option here, or will complete it. 9 4s are 36. 36 plus remain 8 9 8s are 72. 7 9 4s are 36. 36 plus 7 43. Our ending number is enough to select. How far of you got this? Select ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ combination use ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, arrange ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ permutation use ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. 4 digits have selected. For 2 from even, 2 from odd. And have to arrange. Arrange means n factorial. N different digits can be arranged in n factorial ways. That's it. Next, the number of terms in the expansion of x square plus y square power 25 minus x square minus y square power 25 after simplification. After simplification, opposite terms, equal and opposite terms will cancel. So if they ask only this part, ಬರೀ ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ n+1 terms 26 terms ಅಂತ ಬರೀತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. ಇದರಲ್ಲೂ 26 terms ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಆದರೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ we have to write the answer. So for that we can use shortcut. Shortcut is see the power. Power is what? Odd number. You know, odd number is not divisible by 2. So for odd number add 1. I'm asking you to see the power. Power ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ, so see ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಟರ್ಮ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ we'll have 26 terms in the expansion. Here also we'll have 26 terms, but now we'll not have 26 plus 26 because negative terms will be there. So equal and opposite cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So equal and opposite cancel ಆದಾಗ 26 ಅಲ್ಲಿ here 13 out of 26, here 13 will cancel, there 13, then we have to simplify. So shortcut is what? If n is odd, n plus 1 by 2 terms will be there in the expansion. So that is 25 plus 1 divided by 2, 26 by 2, 26 by 2, 13 terms in the expansion. Do we have that? Yes. See, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 26 terms ಇತ್ತು, ಇದರಲ್ಲೂ 26 terms ಇತ್ತು, but opposite terms 13 ಇರುತ್ತೆ. They will get cancelled. We'll be left out with this. Next, the third term of GP is 9. Third term means what? AR square is 9. They want product of 5 terms. Product of 5 terms means what? What are the terms in GP? AR, AR square, AR cube, AR power 4. These are the 5 terms in GP. They want product of this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A power 5. And R into R square, R cube, R power 6, R power 10. Further, can I write it as A power 5 R square? Further, can I write this as A power 5 R power 5 whole square bariboda? 5 2s are what? 10. So R I can write A power 5 R square power 5. Take power 5 out. It will become AR square whole power 5. AR square already you know what is that? 9 power 5. So 9 power 5 is the answer. Do we have 9 power 5? No, they are given in 3. So that is also not a problem. Can I write 9 is 3 square into 5? So it will become 3 power 2 5 or 10. 3 power 10 do we have at least? 3 power 5, 3 power 9, 3 power 10, yes. See, they told third term. All of you know general term in GP is what? AR power n minus 1. AR square 9 anta kottiyare. So product of 5 terms means A into AR square into AR cube into AR power 4 should give you. Simplify this, you'll get the answer. Next, a line cuts off equal intercepts on the coordinate axis, the angle made by the line. They're talking about line is cutting equal intercept on the coordinate axis. They want you to find angle made by this line with positive direction of x-axis. Now, line is cutting equal intercept means you have to use the intercept form. What is intercept form of line? X by a plus y by b equal to 1, and they told equal intercept. So the line is x by a plus y by a equal to 1, or can I write x plus y equal to a? Now it is in the general form. Or can I write x plus y minus a equal to 0? ಇಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಈ ಥರನೂ ಬರಿಬೋದು, y is equal to minus x plus a ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬೋದು. Now it is in the form y is equal to mx plus c. What is m? Minus 1. They don't slope, they want angle made by the line. What is slope definition? Tangent of angle made by the line with x-axis. So m minus 1 anta bandre tan theta is minus 1. So theta is what? If tan theta is 1, 45, tan theta is minus 1 means pi minus pi by 4. What is pi minus pi by 4? They give, okay, 180 minus 45. So 180 minus 45 is 135. Hope all of you got this. So first should be thorough with the slope concept. What is slope of a line? Tangent of angle made by the line with x-axis. So first rewrite the line in slope intercept form. Y is equal to mx plus a form. By comparing, m is minus 1. That's it. Equal intercept means what? A and b value both are same. So now we'll go to this question. Integration of x cube sin 3x dx. So here it's interesting. As usual, product of two functions. We have to use parts. And the other interesting thing is, it's a algebraic function and this is trigonometry. You can use iLearn, algebra first function, trigonometry second function, parts first into integral of second minus integral of second into derivative of first. ನೋಡಿ x power odd number ಇದ್ದು sin x ಇದ್ರೆ ಇಂಟಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಮೈನಸ್ಸು ಪ್ಲಸ್ಸು ಮೈನಸ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, 4 ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ 3 ಇದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಗೋಸ್ ಆನ್ x ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ x 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ 4 ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ತಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿರಲಿ. ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪವರ್ ಎನ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇಂಟೀಜರ್ 4 ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಎಲ್ಲ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸಲ್ಲೂ 4 ಇದೆ. ಮೊದಲಿಗೆ ಮೈನಸ್ಸೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಂಟಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಸೈನ್ ಏನು ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ? ಮೈನಸ್ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಮೈನಸ್ಸಲ್ಲೇ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಮೈನಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೀವು ಇಂಟಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಈ ಸೈನ್ ಎರಡನೇ ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಆದಾಗ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ಅದೇ ಥರ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಮೈನಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ರೂಲ್ಡ್ ಔಟ್. ಮೈನಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ರೂಲ್ಡ್ ಔಟ್. ಸೊ ವಿತೌಟ್ ಇಂಟಗ್ರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಐ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಲಾಜಿಕ್ ಐ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ಯು? ಇಫ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ x power 3, you have to differentiate x power n and integrate this. When you integrate sign, you will get minus. Second term allu minus ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಥರ್ಡ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದೇರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇರೋ ಅಂತ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆಯಿತು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ದೇ ಮೇ ಜಂಬಲ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ, ಬಟ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ನೋಡಿ, ಒಂದು ಅರೇಂಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಶುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸಿಂಗ್ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸು ಮೈನಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಸಾಕು. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ದಟ್. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಹಿಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. Or regular method, parts first function into integral of second minus. Sometimes questions are tough but answers are easy. But first question was differentiation. We did not differentiate, we used the standard result. Now integration, parts, I know applying parts, you also know, but we don't apply parts and kill our time. So now next, region, area of region above x-axis included between parabola y square is equal to x and the circle x square plus y square is equal to 2x. First I'll draw the parabola. What is a parabola? Y square parabola. All of you know y square is a parabola which is symmetric about x axis. This is y square is equal to x. And x square plus y square minus 2 is equal to 0. Bariboda. Minus 2x is equal to 0. Now you know standard equation of circle, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. In that center is minus g comma minus f. Center in one step I can write minus of minus 1 plus 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ center, comma f ಇಲ್ಲ, 1 comma 0 is the center of the circle. Means center of the circle lies on x-axis. This is the center. And radius is what? Root of g square plus f square minus c. So g means half the quotient of x, 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, 1 square is 1, f is 0, c is 0, root 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Radius is also 1. So now I can sketch the circle. Also circle is like this. So its radius is 1. So now this is the point of intersection. If you find point of intersection, how to find point of intersection? So y square value, we put x here, x square plus x is equal to 2x. Solve it, you will get one of the x value as also 1, and y let it be, we need x limits. Now they want area bounded between these two. So now use common sense. Yes, we can integrate and we can get the answers. Before I approximate, I'll see the answers. Pi by 4 minus 3 by 2, pi by 3 by 2 minus pi by 4, 2 by 3 minus pi by 4, like that they gave. So please understand, while approximating, area cannot be negative. Area negative ಆಗಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. Pi by 4 ಅಂದರೆ 3.14 by 4. 3.14 ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಪ್ಪ, 3.14 by 4 means 0 point something, 0 point something minus 1 point. ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ. This cannot be the answer. I ruled out. So as soon I observe, then remaining part if I say pi by 4, you can see everywhere. So now ಈ diagram ನೋಡಿ ಸಾಕು. See, yes, you can integrate area bounded between the curves you have done. This is application of integrals. There is no rule that you have to integrate. You have to save time and get correct answer. Geometrically we can get. ನೋಡಿ ಇಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕು. ನೋಡಿ this one ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡೋಣ. This is the vertex of the parabola. So circle center illiತ್ತು, 1,0, radius 1 ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿತ್ತು. Okay, so now I'll draw. They want area bounded by the x-axis on this axis. Between this part they want area. If you read the question, this is the conclusion. ನೋಡಿ here this is 1/4 of the circle. Circle ಈ ಥರ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಮಾತ್ರ ಅಂದರೆ this is 1/4 of the circle. What is area of circle? Pi r square. R ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 1 ಇದೆ. Pi into 1 square is the overall area, but this is 1/4. Pi by 4. Answer pi by 4. From pi by 4 I have to remove this triangle, you can see. It's not triangle exactly because it's an arc. Area of triangle half into base into height minus half into this is not a triangle. So I have to remove from pi by 4. I have to remove something. Whatever I am removing should be less than 1, because if I remove more than 1 it becomes 0 point. So pi by 4 minus ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇದೊಂದೇ. Is it interesting or not? What is the original method? First find y value, then find f of x minus g of x format ಮಾಡಿ point of intersection ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So yes, we got the point and we use a technique where diagram helps you. This part is 1/4 of circle and this part approximately triangle, not triangle, but from 1/4 of the circle pi by 4 1/4 times pi r square ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ pi by 4 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Pi by 4 ಅಲ್ಲಿ I should remove something, but it should not become negative. Area cannot be negative. First one is ruled out, so answer is option D. That's it. Remaining no answer satisfies. Area cannot be negative is only probability cannot be more than 1 helped you. Here area cannot be negative, option A ruled out. And similarly, so 1/4 of the circle geometry will help you to solve, or you can integrate also and get the answer, but approximating you can get easily. Now area of region bounded by the curve y axis, y is equal to cos x, y is equal to sin x, 0 to pi by 4 means first quadrant. So you know graph. So cos x, cos 0 is 1, so cos x will be like this. Cos 90 is 0, sin 0 is 0 and sin 90 is 1, and they will intersect at pi by 4. You know sin x and cos x are same at pi by 4. This is pi by 4. So point of intersection, point andre x comma y. X value is 45, y value is what? 1 by root. This is a point of intersection. They want this area. And integration of cos x is more than sin x with respect to y axis. Integration of cos x minus sin x 0 to pi by 4 ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. But don't waste your time on all those things. Directly remember root 2 minus 1 is the area bounded between cos x and sin x. It helps you. So angle between sin x cos x at when they intersect in first quadrant, that is tan inverse 2 root 2, and area bounded it's root 2 minus 1. Many times this helps you as a memory based result, or by integration you can find it. This is a standard question. Standard result you can remember. Integrating factor, they want you to find integrating factor. What is meant by integrating factor? If the equation is a linear differential equation, linear differential equation you have two forms, dy by dx plus py equal to q, and dx by dy plus px is equal to q. So now we'll see where how can we reduce. So I'll try first dy by dx. Dy by dx is equal to y divided by 2x plus 3y square ಆಗೋಯ್ತು. ನೋಡಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಎರಡು ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಕಷ್ಟ. So this will not help me. If I take reciprocal, it will help me. Take reciprocal, dy by dx ಬದಲಿಗೆ take reciprocal. So first ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, first regular integrating factor is possible for linear differential equation. First form try ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. First form ಏನು dy by dx ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ y divided by 2x plus 3y square. It is difficult to split. Denominator is having two terms, but numerator after all we have one term. So one term idre it is favorable to simplify. So take reciprocal. Now can I write dx by dy is equal to 2x plus 3y square by y ಬರಿಬೋದಾ? Further it is easy to split this also. So dx by dy is equal to 2x by y 3y square by y. I can cancel. Now further simplify, rearrange. Dx by dy is equal to, bring this, so it will become minus, bring this, so it will become minus 2x by y is equal to 3y. Now integrating factor means here if formula integration of e power integration of p d. So now this is a function of what? Y, p dy. P means quotient of x. So integration of e power minus 2 by y dy. What is integration of 1 by y? Log y. Minus 2 is constant, log y. But you know m log base, m log a can be written as log a power m. I can write it as y power minus 2. These two cancels. So y power minus 2 is the integrating factor. Y power minus 2 is not given. I can write it as 1 by y square. So 1 e power, okay, answer is this. Next, equation of the curve passing through the point 1 comma 1 such that slope of tangent at any point is equal to the product of its coordinates. Slope of tangent is equal to product of coordinates. What is slope of tangent? Dy by dx. Product of, all of you know what is the geometrical meaning of dy by dx? Slope of tangent. They give slope of tangent is means is equal to product of its coordinates. Coordinate means x coordinate and y coordinate is equal to product of its coordinates. So whatever they gave, I wrote it. After I write, this is a differential equation. So how to solve differential equation? They wanted to find the equation. So we got differential equation, they want equation. Convert the differential equation to equation means integrate. To integrate, separate the variables. Variable separable method means group dy, y terms with dy. So bring this x dx. All of you know the rules. D term should be numerator and functions of y should be with dy and functions of x should be with dx. Integrate log y is equal to x square by 2 plus c. Now this is a general solution, but they want at 1 comma 1 means x value also they give, y value they give. Write particular solution. X ಮತ್ತೆ y ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ 1 1 ಹಾಕಿ, y ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ log 1 0, log y 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇದು 1 by 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So you will get c. What is c? Minus of. After you get c, substitute in the equation 1. General solution ಅಲ್ಲಿ c value ಹಾಕಿ particular solution ಬರುತ್ತೆ, that will be the answer. So log y is equal to x square by 2 minus 1 by 2. Verify your answers. When you verify answers, there are no fractions, so multiply by 2. 2 log y or take LCM whatever is equal to x square minus 1. So 2 log y is equal to x square minus 1. This is 2 log x ruled out, plus is there ruled out. Okay, we have option C which suits.